Hello everybody, it is time for update number 4, the air room. So this is the third room out of the iterations of the Elements escape room. So on the first walkthrough of the air room, it's a high ceiling room and it's dark. So they cannot see the top. Kind of similar to the water room where you can't really see the bottom of the pool. This is just like that, except you can't see the top of the room. However, the player should be able to notice 2 of the 3 balloons that are in this room. So it's called the air room. So the balloons are that iteration, air. They're kind of floating, and they're floating at different heights. So the first balloon, 9 feet, not too high, just barely out of reach for some people, and that's where the bucket kind of comes into play for this room to be able to be used. Is the bucket kind of will allow someone to kind of step up on and be able to grab that first item that's on there. That's what the bucket is for. It can be used in any of the rooms. We have one more room to go, and we'll talk about why it's able to be used in there. But yes, that is why the bucket is able to be used in the air room. And the other one is at 15 feet. And those 2 are carrying those 2 items that will be used in different rooms. The 9-foot balloon is going to hold a shovel for the earth room, and the 15-foot balloon is going to hold a map also for the earth room. And then there's the last balloon, which is 50 feet in the air, obviously unattainable without a couple more items. And that's what holds the key, the final prize of this room, and the third key for the actual escape room itself. The light switch for the final balloon is, or to be able to see that far up, to actually know that there's a final balloon up there, is the same switch that is in the water room, which we talked about previously, and is the one, and that light switch will turn off both of those lights for them. So I may actually change that. I kind of want it to have a little bit more of a twist in that, like they turn the light switch on in the water room, maybe it turns the light off in the air room, or one or the other. So we'll see how that goes. Haven't really gotten all the way into that yet. That'll come with the last couple updates, where we finally get through talking about all of the different rooms and what they have inside of them, and then we're going to kind of go back and re-edit and see what kind of other obstacles and challenges we can add in as the final few updates and finalizing the project. And there is a rifle. There's a rifle in somewhere in this entire challenge, which, as you can probably guess, it's in the fire room, which is the last room we need to talk about. That'll be on the next update. And that rifle is what is going to be used to get that 50-foot balloon at the very top. That's kind of like that challenge, to be able to shoot that thing down. I'm actually thinking about adding in ammo as kind of as a secondary item to be able to grab from one of the other rooms. But we will see on the next update. See you then.